Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make fish fillet with sweet corn. And these are the ingredients that you need today. 400 grams of fish fillet. You need half a can of corn, sweet corn, cream of corn, and 1 egg, salt, cornstarch, pepper, water, half a cup of frozen corn, and 1 scallion. Fish has been washed, and make sure it's fully dry. So I'm going to use paper towel and dry it all up, so it will absorb the marination better. I'm going to. Now the fillet has been cut into little pieces. I am going to marinate it, the fillet. Pinch of pepper. Okay. Cornstarch. 1 teaspoon. Then 1 egg yolk. 1 egg yolk. Start to prepare the sauce. This is the egg white. So I'm going to add half a cup. So here. And then a 1/4 cup of water. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And then just mix it for now. The fillet needs to be deep fried, so I'm going to coat it with the cornstarch. So the easiest way is do it in paper towel. I just put in a fillet that the oil needs to be hot and needs to be deep fried until golden brown. It on first. I put the fish back in because it needs to cook the second time, so it will be crispy longer. Because when you only fry it once, it will go soggy in a faster time. So we'll have to cook it to golden brown. This one is ready. The frozen corn needs to be cooked first. I just cook it with a little bit of water. Now that I'm going to do the sauce, so a little bit of oil. Cook the scallion. The sauce that we prepared earlier. just cook until it boils, and then it's ready. Now the sauce has a bubble and done. I'm going to put on top of the fish, or on the side for your own preference. But for myself, I like to put it on top of the fish. This is the final product, and it looks so delicious, and it's really nice and crispy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.